Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check exactly how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Google Chrome or any browser on your device. To the top right corner, you'll see your Google profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it, then select Manage your Google account. Once you're inside your account settings, look for the option called Data and Privacy. Tap on it and now scroll down the page until you see something labeled YouTube History. Tap on that to continue. Now on this screen, scroll a little further until you find the option that says Manage History. Tap on it and this will open up your full YouTube activity and history settings. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see different categories. Here, tap on Interactions. Inside the Interactions menu, scroll down until you find Channel Subscriptions. When you tap on that, YouTube will show you a list of all the channels you've subscribed to. Now simply pick the channel you're curious about and tap on Details. And here it is, YouTube will show you the exact date and time when you subscribe to that channel. This way, you'll know exactly how long you've been a supporter. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this.